Easy.
नहीं उसकी जरूरत नहीं है आपको छोड़ो.
Okay, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Vilas Bichu Gowd, sir, and I am from Koreli, district Gadchiroli, state Maharashtra, and I have completed my graduation from C.P.N. Bera College, Nagpur, and post-graduation from Ferguson College, Pune, and this is my last attempt of CAPF interview, sir.
So you have appeared for CRPF exam. You have given choices CRPF before, right?
Yes, sir.
And interview you have faced earlier also CRPF.
Yes, sir. This is the second one.
Your second time.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So tell me, how do you feel more prepared or more justified to have a success rate better in this interview this year than the last year? And what have you done to change the weaknesses?
Yes, sir. Sir, last year I was means a little bit not that much prepared, but this year I have practiced lot, means with taking guidance from expert. Even though I used to talk with my friends, those who are in well in English, and I used to talk in front of mirror myself to speak well. And even though I also used to search YouTube in videos of UPC toppers, even though we just CAPF interviews, and in such a way I utilize my best way. And even though I am also appearing the mock also and different institute, and it is I think it will help me a lot.
What is the reason for your poor academic records?
Sir, it's my background. I'm from that Gadchiroli. In my area there is no development activities, and education also not that much good. Even though I studied in ZP school, it is government in my local village, and it is I think there is not that much quality. And up to my 10th I studied in ashram school. It is also run by government, but there is a lack of staff and there is no quality education. And so that
you studied in ashram school in 12th?
Yes, sir, up to the 10th. Then I studied up to the 12th in Bhagwantrao school. That is also such kind of ashram, and it is also located in my area. And yes, in 12 I got somewhat.
What was the percentage of marks, average marks in that school for the best? What were the best marks obtained by a student in your batch in that school?
Sir, in 10th I have I think it's almost many years I have gone, but I think that the year only 12 students have passed, 12 only passed in 10th, and I think most
what
of.
What was the maximum percentage of marks out of the 12 students who passed 12th exam?
Sir, maybe around it's only what I recall it 60%. Yeah.
Your position was what in the merit list in the school?
Sir, I don't know. I have failed there in math in 10th. I failed in 10th.
12th?
No, 10th. 12th, sir, rank I don't know, but I have scored well in 12.
What
69.
marks you got in 12?
What, sir?
What marks you got in 12?
Sir, 414, and percentage 69%.
69%.
Yes, sir.
So you became better in the 12th class?
Yes, sir. I got flat.
No problem about the 10th class?
Yes, sir.
And in graduation, what marks have you got?
Sir, it is approximately, sir, marks, sorry, I am not recall, but percentage of 58% point, something it's like that.
I am asking your marks. I am not asking anybody else's marks.
Yes, sir.
You are facing an interview board.
Yes, sir.
And your resume is?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you are being asked a direct question. What was your graduation percentage marks? Answer the question.
Yes, sir. My percentage is 58% in graduation.
Are you recalling and trying to remember or by memory, or it should be straightforward?
Yes, sir. It is straightforward.
So tell the answer. Answer should be 58.32%. That should be the answer. You are talking so many things.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, for that. Okay, sir.
I'll ask you a simple one question. Your academic performance. We are taking about 3-4 minutes. You are not. I have not still got any answer of yours.
Sorry, sir. I sorry.
So this question is completely washed off.
Okay.
I have not understood what you are trying to tell me. You have been in boarding.
Yes,
You have
sir.
been in ashram school.
Yes, sir.
Gurukul Padhati. You are degrading the staff and the quality of education of all the people. And you are not saying that I was not the culprit. Yes, rest all were the culprit. So this is what is coming out of this question.
Yes, sir. That may be.
So this is the question which I wanted to tell you and understand what I am trying to tell you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next.
Yes, sir.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, hobbies, first I have mentioned that motivating the student. Second is
Motivating the student.
sir, it's
Are you motivated by now? Are you a preach or a saint? Or you are a student? What do you think you are? What is your profession right now? Student or a preacher?
sir, I am student.
So, but you have become a motivational speaker also.
Yes, sir, because of the,
Alright,
yeah.
I take it. I take it.
Okay, sir.
Normally I shouldn't have, but I take it. Let's motivate me now. Okay.
Thank
now, tell me, what are your hobbies and interests, including your outdoor activities?
Sir, sir, I mentioned that means the extracurricular activity, that is the motivating student, and other is the I am member of NGO, that is Sahita Foundation, and other is gymming.
Gym.
Yes, sir.
Any sports you play in your school, in ashram? They were not even sports facilities in the ashram?
Yes,
Or
there.
your education was not good.
Sir,
I have taken it for granted from you.
Yes, sir.
But there are no sports activities?
Sir, there were sport
And
activities.
You didn't have a time to play?
No, sir, I have enough time, but we are not that much enough confidence that
What
time.
sports you have played? In school days?
Yes, sometimes we used to Kho, that is Kho. Yes.
And only Kho?
Yes, there were many means like Kabaddi, volleyball also, but I used to play Kho, sir.
You only played Kho?
Yes, sir.
No other game?
No, sir.
In the 12th class?
Sorry, sir.
12th class?
No, sir. I have played there Kabaddi.
And in the graduation level, college level?
Sir, there were not such kind of activity. There were, but I haven't participated there.
You were a day scholar in the school, of, in the college, or a day scholar or a boarding? Hostel में थे आप या घर पे थे?
Sir, I was hostel in.
Again, you are a hosteler. So
Yes.
you have been a hosteler throughout your life.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then you are into the motivational speaker. That's the whole. What is the biggest achievement so far in your life?
Sir, my biggest achievement is the last time I have come to the interview, and that is my achievement also, and I am the one of the in my family who has finished the graduation first time in all the. Even though I think in my area I am the one who has appeared for the CAPP interview first time in my area.
You are made chief minister of your state.
Yes.
For 1 year.
Yes, sir.
And you come from very rural background.
Yes, sir.
And very downtrodden society.
Okay, sir.
Financial maybe or whatever. So what are the 3 things which you would like to do for your state?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. Sir, the thing is, first what I observed, we have to go to the common people and we have to think, means look at their basic problems, what are there, because like poverty, we have to remove the poverty. Second thing is we have to give the employment to the peoples. And another thing is the administration machinery should be work, means proper implementation of policy. It should be there well.
Which state you are from?
Maharashtra, sir.
Maharashtra is a poor state.
No, it's not poor
You
state.
said first is to go to the people
Yes, sir.
and then remove the poverty.
Yes, sir.
Is Maharashtra a Bimaru state in India?
No, it's not,
Or
sir.
it is one of the top class?
Yes.
Is the poverty a main problem in Maharashtra?
Sir,
Gave you chief minister's chair
okay, sir.
and gave you the power
Yes, sir.
and told you to tell me the 3 points that you would like to do in order of priority.
Yes, sir.
Because you come from a rural background.
Yes, sir.
And you have seen the Maharashtra in a very rural background area.
Yes, sir.
So you said you will remove poverty. First
Yes,
of all,
sir.
this is no answer.
Yes, sir.
How do you remove poverty? You have to give objective answers. You can't remove poverty.
Yes, sir.
Remove poverty is no way to do anything.
Yes,
How do
sir.
you remove poverty is the answer.
Okay,
Then you
sir.
said unemployment. So is the unemployment rate of Maharashtra the maximum in India? What is
Sir,
the main problem in Maharashtra as of now? Economy, you are farming, Which is the most affected?
Sir, economy is well there, and with
Economy is
that
well, industries?
industries.
Industry is well?
Sir,
Okay, so what is the problem?
sir, may I explain something?
Yes. I had given you the chance to explain.
Okay.
You said something else.
Yeah, thank you, sir. The means Pachim means West Maharashtra and East Maharashtra. There is different. I belong to the East Maharashtra. If we compare
Which state? Which place?
West Maharashtra,
Which place you said you
I am from Gadchiroli, Vidarbha. It is
Vidarbha.
yes, sir.
So now you have given me the very good hint.
Okay.
What is the main problem of Vidarbha?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me in one line. Don't speak plainly.
Yes, there is
And
a
there is a famous movie on that.
yes, sir. Formal social society.
Formal
teacher.
society.
Yes, sir.
Now I got the answer. But after very long trigger, and you are from village, you
Yes,
should
sir.
speak state.
Yes, sir.
Whole India knows it.
Yes,
There is
sir.
a movie made of this Chinchipuli. What is that? That media which that chap. So, what is the movie? Famous movie in that chap. नहीं Chimpali क्या?
Sorry, sir.
Chimpali, that Chimpali movie or something. There's a movie on that. The whole media goes to the village. पूरे वीडियो उसी पर कहानी है पूरी.
Okay.
महंगाई जाए हमारा जात है भाई सही बात है बहुत कमाल है. There's a famous movie on this.
Oh, sir, I will look it.
Chimpali
That means.
something like that. There's a movie on this. Vidarbha is what the problem of society.
Yes, sir.
So then we could have discussed something more on it, but we lost that chart. And we went all around the whole life. Maharashtra. I've been 15 years in Maharashtra.
Okay, sir.
Okay, each places I've traveled in Maharashtra. From
Okay.
Nasik, Amravati, Kolhapur,
Yeah.
Aurangabad. You name a place I've been.
Yes.
By car, stayed in the places.
It's
all
my
the places.
it's my pleasure, sir. You haven't been from
Yeah,
Maharashtra.
it's a Solapur, Kolhapur, please.
Yes.
Place I will tell you.
Yes.
But then you should be okay, apart.
Mm.
What is the most embarrassing moment of your life?
Sir, when I was in Ferguson College, and I was not enough confidence in presenting my presentation in front of my teacher. I think at that time, period, I recall still, and even though I went to present myself there, but even though I am single word, I am not able to present, and even though not able to read there. And finally, my ma'am say, just conclude, and I think that maybe. Yeah.
You are from such a fantastic college. Ferguson is one of the best colleges in Pune.
Yes, sir.
Again, you are from such a background. You have a very checkered background.
Yeah.
From this to that, and we need to compose yourselves.
Yes.
Okay. And two questions more I want to ask you.
Okay, sir.
One is that you also have English literature, right?
Yes, sir.
Where would you like to have your first posting?
Sir, I would like to take my first posting in Gadchiroli.
Your place?
Yes, sir.
In CRPF?
Yes, sir.
Is there any unit there?
Yes, sir. There is a 7 battalion right now existing working. Yes, in Gadchiroli.
Why do you want to get posted as a central paramilitary force officer
Yes.
in your village now, where you have been born and brought up and you have seen enough, and your vision maybe to see India or have served. If I ask you a question, why you want to join CRPF, what will be the answer?
Sir, CRPF is actually means one thing is I am familiar with it, means CRPF means working in my area, and they are doing well job in my area to remove that Naxalism issue is there in my area lot of, because they have also killed my friends and my even uncle. And even though I think since my childhood we are facing such a kind of problem, and sometimes it is difficult to sustain their even also. Even though if come to know, I am appearing for the CAPF interview also. I think if I got in their hand, they will kill me. Such situations are there terrible like conditions. So that
What will you do if you are posted there?
sir, yes, I will do. First of thing is there is means root causes are there, such a kind of poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, and things are also
CRPF officer.
Yes, sir.
What will you do as a CRPF officer?
Sir, yeah. So now what I'm seeing there or CRPF doing, civic action program is there. they are doing the well job, like people to people contact, people to police contact, and to bring the people and forces in close, so that the Naxal should be removed from the our area, so that they are working well.
Will you able to do this in 2 years of posting?
Sir, it is not possible, but I will try my best to do, because of the that area I am belong to. So how Naxal is working, and
I have a question here.
yes,
You are a raw CRPF officer. You have
Yeah.
no idea about police service.
yes sir,
And you want to go straightway and do so many jobs beyond your call of duty
yes sir,
in area.
Yes.
Isn't it is better that you go learn, understand CRPF, get equipped well,
Yes, sir.
and qualify to do such kind of beyond call of duty duties in your place,
Yes,
than
sir.
to go as a raw CRPF officer
Okay, sir.
and maybe get into a security threat for yourself.
yes sir, yes, definitely.
Not a very mature statement. If that is the case, that you want to get far-fetched results in your area,
Yes, sir.
including socio-economic reforms
Yes sir,
by a police officer,
Yes, sir.
which is not his primary duty,
yes sir,
so it is all not getting, in a coherent manner, it's not coming out. Not a mature thought coming out from you. Emotional thoughts are coming out much more
Yes.
than the responsible thoughts
okay sir,
from your answers.
yes sir.
Exactly. It rather seemed like, you know what, it seemed like a revenge sort of story. Okay, now I will have my gun and I'm going to kill everyone there.
Sir, could I say, sir, even though killing everybody, Naxal problem will not solve
Slightly
there.
different from such answers.
Yeah.
Since we are in an interview, we will not go into any stories on this.
Yes sir,
The question is being brought out is this.
Yes.
You are becoming, very arrogant, very emotional,
Yes.
very, local. We are looking at a mature military leader
yes,
who looks at India into totality, not his village.
yes,
It could be same thing you should be doing in the Red Corridor in Chhattisgarh.
yes
Why
sir,
in Bidar? Why only in your place? Same, somebody is getting killed there also, right?
yes sir,
So you are
yeah.
only looking at local situations. So this is the local answer.
Yes sir,
It's not a mature answer.
okay sir,
See, this thing should be shown, sir, I would do there also. If I get a chance in my life, sir, I would also like to contribute to my social life where I have been born.
yes sir,
It should have been coming in this manner, not in that manner, the way it was brought. That is a very immature answer.
okay sir,
Please construct your answers carefully. Please.
okay.
Right, so now coming back to the point now, you have done your MA in English,
Yes sir,
right?
Yes, sir.
So how much time you have taken for that? 2 years?
it's a 2 years period sir.
I know
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So how much you have improved your English? Do you think you have improved enough?
Sir, I'm okay well enough to speak, but I'm not that much influence in well manner. How as a literature candidate, he must have good command on language. But still, I think I am not that much capable. But still,
That obviously we can make out.
yes, sir.
Right, so obviously we can make out that. Now, coming to your hobbies,
Yes, sir.
you are motivated.
Yes, sir.
So whom do you motivate?
Especially, I am now focusing the student, because as I am student, and in my area there is
What
a
sort of student you are after?
yes. I just actually I am academic student. I am visiting there.
Academic means what?
Ashram school, yes, first to 12 means 10th standard, yes, students,
10th standard.
yes, in my
So how do
area.
you motivate them?
Actually, I used to tell them the education is not for the job. If you work well in means if you learn well, you can develop your personality also, and you have better life in your life.
Okay.
Even though if you are work well, means if you learn well, even though you can do better farming, even though you
What
can.
did you tell you ki, why should we hear you? What you have achieved today?
Yes, that is I also face many problems, such a kind of questions, sir. But I wait to many years, but it's still when I will become something, then I used to go, but it is
So
getting.
how come it becomes a hobby?
Sir, what I thinking there in my area, it is
Do
Gadchal.
you practice what you profess?
Sorry, sir,
Do you practice what you profess?
जो बोलते हैं वो करते हैं.
yes,
आप दूसरे को जो शिक्षा दे रहे हो, क्या आप उसको आप पे उतारते हो?
yes, sir, I am utilizing that one.
So why your marks were not good in 10th standard?
Sir, in 10th standards, I think I will not. Means I was not enough mature. But however, I got chance. Means in 12th standard, I got good quality teachers. I improved mark, and however, I get the chance means to improve myself. Even though I tried my best, but in
No, one region can be like the schools you have at Aheri and all.
yes, sir.
So there obviously the marking is obviously good. A lot of cheating and other things happen. It's so simple.
Sir,
You know this kind of practice is prevalent in Maharashtra.
sir, there may be, but I haven't done any cheating even though so that I failed in 10th class also.
Tenth class
Yes.
I can understand, but about 12th I'm speaking.
12th I have.
There are a lot of malpractices in Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
So I know Maharashtra very well, that's why I'm telling you.
Sir, could I explain one thing? Yes, in my 12, there were my teacher, class teacher, Mungmude sir. I think he had conducted a test of 20 marks, and on that I have got around 15 marks on that, and just he give me such kind of flap on me, means you can do well. I think that instant changed me everything, and finally I got 69 marks.
69%, right. In graduation, you have obviously BA, you have political science, right?
Yes, sir.
So you must be knowing a lot of things in political science. You have done, it was there in 12th, then in your BA as well. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now, tell me something about political science. Now, what is Locke's theory?
John Locke's, sir, I have little idea about it because it's a lot time I have passed from graduation. I think it's.
Now tell me one subject you are very confident in, that you have a great command on that subject.
Sir, I can't say, but I will answer if you ask.
That's what I'm asking now.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me one subject that you say you are completely good enough in that.
Sir, in confidently it's difficult to say, sir. Sorry.
In English literature, can I ask something in English literature?
Sorry, sir. Means you can. I'm so poor on that, and even though in MA I couldn't able to manage. In my I think MA first year I failed all subject, but however I get chance I have managed to pass there.
Okay. Now, what is the theme of SSB?
SSP. Sorry, sir, I am not recalling.
What is the motto of CRPF?
Yes, service and loyalty, sir.
Service and
Loyalty.
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 Okay, loyalty.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the motto of CISF?
Shorya Dusta Karmanista.
Right, sir. What is your other hobby? That is Sahayata group. Can joining a Sahayata group be a hobby?
Sir, actually that is other activities mine because what I feel now, I think as a I'm
What do you actually do in Sahayata group?
sir, that is the NGO like, and we used to do to motivate the student to take education. And earlier I also mentioned in my Gadchiroli district there is only around 60% of education is
I
left.
can
Yeah.
understand. But
Yes.
What's your role there? How
Yes.
just motivating the student to go and go to school
Yes, sir.
and convincing the school dropouts?
Yes, sir. I'm just
What is the percentage of school dropouts in Gadchiroli?
sir. Exactly, I don't know, but
So
the
how
ratio.
come you are motivating them? You don't have any fact, you don't have any figure.
Yes, sir.
So what sort of motivator you are?
But sir, what I have looked means I used to study means those were my classmates. I think most of the even though they have not completed their 12th standard and they all got married and just they are doing farming there and this condition same condition is happening in my area. Whatever I'm saying, so that I personally feel I think I have to do because I come to know something
So give
across.
me 5 things by which you can motivate me. I have dropped my school.
Okay, sir.
Now motivate me with, come on.
Sir, first of the thing means I will go to his parent first of yes.
Motivate me, I am the school dropout. I
Okay,
haven't
sir.
studied anywhere.
Okay,
I
sir.
am left every schooling, my schooling after 12.
Okay, sir.
Now convince me.
First thing I will do, sir, even though if you left the education, then your all life will be spoiled, because to do other activities after your
Then I will say obviously, so who is going to earn bread and butter for me? Are you going to pay me for that?
sir, yes, I will tell, as means there is some means government means schools also, means they can help you, means yes, there are also policies also. Yeah, you can take advantage of that. And
So what sort of advantage you are going to give me? Just talk about money, because I left my schooling just for the sake of money,
yes, sir.
and that I am not getting. So your mere speech is not serve me bread. It's so simple.
Sir, the thing is, I think we have to, if you take education, you will have better life. Otherwise, there may be.
If I take education,
Yes,
and
sir.
if I die with hunger, what is the use of education then?
Yes, sir. Sir, even though if you not take education, there may be also the problem of dying with hunger. And even though now in my area for the tribals there is some
No, I left education. Now I am making,
Yes, sir.
in the cycle, tubes, right?
Yes,
so at least by that I am earning my bread.
Yes,
If I
sir.
go to a school or a college, I won't be earning that. It's so simple.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, if there means parent allow of some candidate, I will tell them
I
your
can make out how much you can, the people will be convinced by you.
Yes,
You
sir.
can't even get me convinced,
okay, sir. Yeah.
right? So, now coming back to the other things. You must be good in other subjects, as well as history and all.
A little bit I'm
The historical importance of Gadchiroli, obviously apart from Naxalism.
Sir, it's a Gadchiroli is separated from Chandrapur in 1982.
Okay.
Yes, because of the Chandrapur was a huge district, means it is difficult to give a proper administration in a different area. And
Has any medieval history importance or not?
sir, I haven't read anything about it. Means there may
You
be.
haven't read about Marathas' dominance? You haven't read about
No, sir.
Marathas' occupation of your Gadchiroli area?
No, sir. But in British era,
Have you ever tried to check the history as well as the Gazette of Gadchiroli?
no, sir. Sorry, I haven't checked that.
So you came unprepared for this interview.
Sir, I prepared, but even though I haven't heard about it, but to think I would like to say you, there is in my Aheri Taluka, there is a Jamindars we call Dharmarao Atram. He is now in present MLA, and yes, they were Jamindars in my area. Used to collect the revenue and they just used to give
What
those.
sort of history is this? This is the importance of Gadchiroli.
Sir, apart from it's
Have you ever Googled Gadchiroli?
yes, sir.
Did you find it in the Wikipedia?
Sir, I haven't noticed anything about the history because of it was the part of Chandrapur, and Chandrapur has some kind of history because there is Baburao Sarmake who has fight against the British, and he while fighting he got martyred.
We don't know about medieval history. Shivaji reigned history, we know nothing about that.
Sir, I would like to say this area out of the reach of even though our most of the administration machinery in my area, Gadchiroli especially, and even though if you look in now in that area,
The nearby town is which one?
which
Which town is the nearby to your area?
yes, it's around Aheri, it's my area, and
Most famous town near you.
it's Gadchiroli, sir.
Gadchiroli and other town famous like Nagpur, Pune, or which one is nearby?
It's Chandrapur is around 150 kilometers away from my area, and Nagpur
How
is
far is Nagpur from there?
300.
300.
Yes, sir.
And Pune?
Pune is around yes 1800 kilometers.
1800?
Sorry, 800. Yes, sorry, sir.
Right, so Nagpur was ruled by whom? The Bhosle's rule was going on in Nagpur, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know something about the current affairs and all? Because one thing is there.
Yes, sir.
On the knowledge base, a bit of lacking is there.
Okay,
Right.
sir. Okay, sir.
Do you know about current affairs and then can you say something about current affairs?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is security application internet?
Security application internal. Sir, now we are facing the threat of security also, like communal rights also are there, and we have to maintain those.
What is it? I'm asking. I don't want the detail. Simple. What is it? Do you know it or you don't know?
Sir, I know, but right now I'm not able.
Basically, it's like a WhatsApp page for the Indian Army.
It's
So
not.
you haven't
It's,
even heard about it. Okay. Now, next question. And
Okay,
the
sir.
next question is, what is the use of robotics and which is India's robotic center?
sir, I don't know about the robotics center.
Okay. Now, next one will be, now tell me about which sort of forest is found in Gadchiroli?
Sir, it's a deciduous forest, dry deciduous actually.
So
there.
what's a dry or wet?
No, sir, dry deciduous forest.
Dry deciduous forest.
Yes.
So what is the main feature of dry deciduous forest?
That's a shade of leaves, and in the summer season.
In summer season?
Yes, sir.
Or in autumn?
Sir, actually it's mainly summer season.
It's in summer season?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. Then,
Sir, I recall that much. Wait.
okay. Now, can you tell me the historical development of Naxalism?
Yes,
That's
sir.
the biggest problem in your area.
Yes, sir. The Naxal has developed in Darjeeling district of West Bengal in 1967 against that Jamindars there. Okay, that's led by Charu Muzumdar, and two names I am not recalling that, but
Tanusanial.
yes, sir, maybe. Thank you, sir. And slightly they shifted to from West Bengal to that Odisha, Jharkhand, and slightly they come to this my area, even though.
It has been given a term, Eastern Corridor.
Yes, sir. From eastern to then little slightly they shift to that's Andhra Pradesh.
Then they, from Andhra Pradesh to, obviously they penetrated to
Yes,
the
sir.
western region.
Even though
And slowly.
earlier in my Gadchiroli there were no Naxalism. They are, I think, come to
The
notice.
place must be lying nearer to Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Gadchiroli must be nearer to Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
So which district of Chhattisgarh is nearby?
That is the Rajnandgaon.
Rajnandgaon.
Yes, sir. Jagdalpur.
Jagdalpur, it's quite near to your place.
Yes, sir.
I have visited there, that's what I am asking.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So yeah, you were talking about the history. So what led to this movement and what was the main cause of the success of this movement?
Sir, yes. After even though our former PM Manmohan Singh has in 2004 or 6 around that much, not taken, but he has said the Naxalism is a big threat to India. After that, our central government with the state government.
Don't you think their demand is so genuine?
Yes, earlier it was, but they have changed their now ideology same still there, sir. But they are now doing something different than.
Okay.
Killing the people common, and even though they are not doing their
So you don't support them, you are against Naxalism.
yes, sir.
Even ideologically you don't support them.
Sir, ideology it's against the exploitation, it was good, but now they're just against the ideology. They are saying we are working for you as an ideology, but in actual present condition they are not working, even they are killing the common people there actually.
There obviously the implementation mechanism is wrong.
Yes, they are.
Ideology is good, but the implementation mechanism is wrong.
Yes.
So, in one sentence, what is this Naxalism all about? Just in one sentence.
Sir, it is against the exploitation.
It is against exploitation.
Thekedars and Tendupatas. Others, those are come inside that forest area.
It is in one sentence you can say it is a fight between have and have nots.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
That's
sir.
all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So, will debrief you here.
Okay.
We are going to give you feedback.